Hello, welcome to our channel. We are truly honored to share powerful, natural knowledge that can change how you see your health. Today's topic is not just another food. It is something ancient, something mysterious, something people trusted for centuries. Black seed. Small in size, dark in color, easy to ignore. Yet inside this tiny seed lies a level of power that surprises even modern science. There is a statement that has traveled across generations. Black seed cures everything except death. At first, it may sound like exaggeration. But when you look deeper, you begin to understand why people believe it. Have you ever felt constant fatigue, low energy, lack of strength? Like your body is trying to tell you something is missing. Sometimes the problem is not visible. It exists inside your system. Black seed works from within. It contains a powerful compound called thymoquinone. This compound supports your immune defense. Your body becomes stronger against illness. Resistance increases naturally. No artificial stimulation. No sudden reaction. Just steady protection. Your internal balance begins to improve. Hormonal systems stabilize. Energy becomes more consistent throughout the day. No spikes. No crashes. Just control. Black seed also supports digestion. It helps your body process food more efficiently. Inflammation begins to reduce. Your system feels calmer. Then something deeper starts to happen. Your body begins to reset. You wake up with more clarity. You move with more strength. You feel more connected to your own energy. This is not a quick fix. This is restoration. Slow, natural, real. Even your skin can begin to reflect this change. Your appearance becomes healthier. Your presence becomes stronger. All from something so small. Just a small amount each day. Seeds or oil, morning or evening. Consistency is the key. Because real transformation does not come from extremes. It comes from simple habits repeated daily. Black seed does not force your body into change. It supports your body to return to its natural state. That is why it feels different. That is why it works. Thank you for watching. If this message brought value to your life, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support helps us continue sharing powerful knowledge. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay strong, stay aware, take care.